Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable stay awake on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to swipe up and go down. In here you want to tap on developer options. Next, we go down and tap on Stay Awake. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Now, if you turn this on, the screen will never sleep while charging. So if we are trying to charge the phone, the screen will not turn off unless you press on the turn off button. Otherwise, if you kind of leave it on like this, it will stay on all the time while it is charging. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.